Okay guys, isang mabilis na video lang kung paano natin ma-optimize or mapapabilis ang ating laptop. So, kailangan lang natin gawin ito every 1 month. Okay? So, hindi natin kailangan gawin araw-araw, linggo-linggo. Just 1 month lang or once a month lang is enough for this. So, I'm using this Huawei Ryzen 7. So, the first thing na ginagawa ko once a month ay this. Search nyo lang yung optimize. Yan, then click nyo to. Pagka-click nyo yan, click nyo tong optimize. Okay, so just wait for a second. And after that, okay na. So the second thing na dapat natin gawin is to type storage. So these are one of the simple things that we could do in order to optimize or mapabilis, maging efficient yung laptop natin. Kasi some say na meron na daw problem or nag-deteriorate na yung performance ng laptop. So these are one of the things that we could consider to maximize still our laptop even na kahit na matagal na siya ginagamit. So after natin i-type dito sa taas sa search bar yung storage, we just have to look at this sa upper portion ng screen, etong configure storage sense or run it now. So, fini-free nito yung mga unnecessary files na meron tayo. So, we just have to click this one. Okay, click lang natin yung clean now. So, while waiting for that, pwede naman nating iset yan ng isang beses sa isang buwan or twice a month, every 14 days. As you can see here on my screen, every 14 days nag-run yung storage sense ko. Ibig sabihin, every 14 days nag-clean yung memory. So, tinatanggal niya yung mga unnecessary files. So, you could also do that. So, instead of setting it to 14 days, we could do it in 30 days. Depende sa frequency na gusto nyong gawin. Okay? So, yun lang naman yung mga bagay na pwede nating gawin para sa mga laptop na meron tayo. But for this one, para sa mga merong Huawei laptops tulad ko, mapapansin nyo meron tayong tinatawag na manager dito. Laptop manager, I think. So, click nyo lang yung F10 sa upper right portion ng keyboard nyo. F10, makikita nyo yan. Pagka-click nyo ng F10, ito yung lalabas. Yan, yung PC Manager. So, click lang natin itong full checkup. So, disclaimer lang para sa lahat. This is applicable only sa mga laptop ng Huawei. Okay, sa mga MateBooks. So, after nyan, after matapos nyan, click natin itong drivers. So, for health check din to. For performance check ng mga drivers and other peripherals natin and other stuffs. Okay, so that's it for this short video and I hope may natutunan kayo, and don't forget to subscribe and like para sa mga tips and other tutorials regarding technology. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.